Hello everyone, good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I'm Pushpashri, faculty of Python but tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics. So well my dear kids, in the last session we had discussed about some of the exercise problems based on square and square root. So let us continue with the same exercise even today and let us solve some of the problems based on that exercise. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. So fine, let's start with today's class, square and square root, the same exercise 1.1. So in that we have solved two mains and we will be dealing with the third main today. Okay. So your third main, you can copy the questions along with me. Okay. The squares of which the squares the squares of which the squares of which of the following which of the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers would be would be odd numbers. So fine. So we'll see the questions. Question number 1, 431. Don't copy down, okay? Once I finish my explanation, you can copy down, okay? So the second one, 2826. The third one, 77779, that is 7779, and the fourth one, 82,004. 82,004. So what is the thing they are asking in the question? So the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? So they have given you the squares, okay? They are not telling that they had given you the numbers. In the question, you can see the squares of some numbers. You don't know which is that number. Where you have to find the would be odd numbers. So for example, if I tell you 9 is the square of which number? You usually tell ma'am it is the square of 3. Okay. So in the same way they had given you this number where you have to find this number is the square of which number and that number is odd or even. So this is the thing you have to find whether the number is odd or even. Okay, with this information you have to find this information whether the number is odd or even when the square of the numbers are given. So that's what the question is, and in the question the numbers are as follows. The first is 431, the second is 2000 to 826, the third number is 7779, and the fourth number is 82,004. So when they have given you four numbers and as we have already studied the properties of the squares, what is this properties of squares is going to tell? So the squares of the odd numbers are always odd and the squares of the even numbers are always even. So with this property, it will be helpful for you to find out whether the numbers are odd or even. Say for example, take the first number. What is the first number you have? 431. So the number ending with the squares of the odd numbers are always odd. So is this an odd number? Yes, it is the odd number. Ma'am, how to find out whether it is odd or even? See the last number. So the last number is 1. 1 is what? 1 is the odd number. Okay. So now I can tell the first one is the odd number. Fine. So take the second one now. That is 2826. So is this an even number or an odd number? How to find out this? The squares of the even numbers are always even. How to find whether this is an even number? Whether we have to start writing from even numbers from 2 to infinity? No, don't do that. Because the easiest method is see the last number. Whether it is an odd number or an even number. 6 is an even number. So this 2826 is an even number. Got this? In the same way, 7779. So 9 is which number? That is odd. The squares of the odd numbers are always odd. Okay. So now this is your odd number. In the same way, come for the last one. 82,004 rupees. So 4 is an odd number or an even number? 4 is an even number. So this 82,004 is an even number. This is how you can solve it very quickly. See the last numbers, whether they are odd or even. By that you can easily recognize whether that square numbers or an odd numbers or an even numbers. Fine. So now, how you will conclude? So, therefore, reason. I'll just give you the reason just for your understanding, okay? Reason, first one, the squares of an odd numbers are always odd. In the same way, the second reason I can give, the squares of an even number is always even. Therefore, the odd numbers are So now here what are the odd numbers? 431, comma, only two, right? 431 and 7,779. Got this? Now you can copy down this also, the reasons along with this. Copy down. Okay, well students, hope you all copied down this particular problem. Fine, now I'll just move on to the next one. Next question, the fourth question. The fourth question. Take down. Observe the following pattern. Observe the following pattern. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. And find the missing digits. So this is your question now. Okay. So where you have to observe the pattern. They had given you one pattern in the question where you will be observing that pattern and you will be finding which are the missing figures in that particular pattern. So see the pattern. It is as follows. 11 square is equal to 121. 101 square is equal to 10201. 1001 square is equal to 100201. 1 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 square is equal to 1020302001, and now 1 3. This is your question. Question is too lengthy, right? But the answer is very easy. Okay, listen to me. Observe the following pattern, where you have to observe this following pattern and you have to find this missing figures. Only two are the missing digits and two are the missing figures you have to find in this particular question. So 11 square is equal to 121. If you do 11 into 11, you will get 121. So 101 square, if you do 101 into 101, you will get 10201. In the same way, 1001 square is equal to 10 lakh 2150. Okay, so that is 1001 into 1001. If you do, you will get 10 lakh 2001 rupee. In the same way, if you do 10,001 square, 10,001 into 10,001, you will get around, yes, 1, okay, it's in crores, 10 crores, 20 lakh 30,000 201. 10 crore, 20 lakh 30,000 201. In the same way, here you have 1 lakh 10,000 101 square is equal to how much? What you have to do? 1 lakh 1,000 101, sorry, 1 lakh, correct, 1 lakh 1,101 into same numbers, you have to square it, double time you have to do. Or else, one more logic that you can follow over here, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 201. So how you got this, ma'am? Do this once and let me know the answer for this. So when you do this, whatever the answer that you are going to get, double it, do the square and check whether this is the correct answer or not. Come on, do it. Okay, hope you people did this and you got the same answer. How? One more logic I can tell you. See here you have 1020. It ends at 20, but here it ends at 30. Here it ends at 40 and here it ends at 50. This is the trick that you can follow. See here 100, 2001. So whatever the number that you have got, the ultas number you have over here. In the same way you have till 3 and till you have 30. Again what continues here? 20201. Okay. In the same way, if you go till 40, what happens here? The ulta number is going to come over here, that is 30201. So this is the trick. In the same way, see here. So here you have 1010101 square, and here I can write 101010101 square. So 101010101 square. So how? Because here I have in lakh and here I am going to do that in crores. 10 crore, 10 lakh, okay, sorry, 3, 2, okay. 10 crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 101. Here I have it in lakh and here I am going with a crore. Here it is nothing but you have 3 tens here, the simple way, 1, 2, 3, 10 you have. Here you are going to increase by 4 10. So same way, if you do square, it is 40 and here it will come 50. Or else if you won't get this, divide this by 2 and do the square of this. Okay, this is also one of the logic I can tell you. Fine. So now the missing numbers are 10203040302001 and another square number that is missing is 101010101. Okay, so this is the pattern they will give you like this, where you have to find the missing one. So one of the logic thing you can use, or else if you are lacking logic, go with the squares. Okay, so where if you use your logic, it saves your time. So that's the reason I had taught you that. Fine, copy down this now.